Hello everyone, I'm Dan Pelosi. I'm here in my backyard in Brooklyn, and I'm so excited to show you how to make my mayo cake. That's right, mayo cake, with grilled peaches and cream. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is grab a cast iron skillet. Now, if you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can totally use a 13x9 cake pan, but I love a cast iron skillet because it makes the edges of this cake so crispy and delicious. So let me grab a little bit of softened butter. It's hot today, so this butter is nice and soft. And I'm just gonna give the pan a nice coating. A little bit of flour, and I'm gonna get it all around the pan. You kind of wanna hit it a little bit. I'm outside, so I'm not afraid to make a mess. This is my cardio for today. This is gonna help your cake not stick to the pan while it bakes. I have a little secret weapon for you, and it's called mayonnaise. In fact, it's Sir Kensington's avocado oil mayonnaise, which gives the cake a really delicious flavor. I combine it with a little bit of olive oil into the cake as well, and it gives you this like really gorgeous, moist cake that takes pretty much any topping you give it, but I find that grilled peaches and whipped cream just make it absolutely sing. I'm gonna take 2 cups of sugar. This is granulated sugar. I've got 3 eggs. Give those a nice crack. Whisk it all together until it's nice and combined. The olive oil adds a nice hit of flavor, a bit of moisture as well. I'm gonna give that a little bit of a head start, and then I'm going to zest in the zest of 1 lemon. I love lemon. I think it gives it a great flavor. And then the last ingredient, which I'm calling our secret weapon, is Sir Kensington's avocado oil mayonnaise. We're gonna do a full cup of it. You might be wondering, I've never seen mayonnaise added to baked goods before. It really is just a great way to add a level of moisture and flavor to your cakes. And I think that because this is avocado oil mayonnaise, the flavor of the avocado oil is a fresh take on using mayonnaise in your baked goods. I put some lemon zest in this, which I really love because this mayonnaise has a bit of citrus in it as well, so the flavors really do a good job of complementing each other. So I've got my wet ingredients nicely mixed, and I'm gonna grab my bowl of dry ingredients. This is 2 cups of flour, a little bit of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. We're gonna add it into here and then mix it just gently. It's okay if there's still a couple dry streaks. We don't wanna overmix at this point. I'm gonna get that in there. This is nicely combined, not overmixed. I'm gonna pour it right into this cast iron skillet, and this is where it's gonna bake. It's going to make the cake so crispy around the edges. The cast iron's gonna get extra hot, and that butter that we put into the pan, the flour combined with the mayo and the olive oil really does a great job of making a deliciously moist on the inside and nice and crispy on the outside cake. I'm really proud of this one. Just gonna smooth that over. You're gonna bake your cake in a 350-degree oven for about 55 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. You can bake your cake just before you're gonna eat it, or you can bake it the day before. It's great either way. I'm super excited to show you how delicious it is with those grilled peaches and cream, but for now I'm gonna go stick this in my oven. I've got the grill on. We're gonna grab our peaches. They should be ripe. We're gonna cut them around the center, not from top to bottom, but through the middle. It'll make pitting them a bit easier. So I'm gonna grab the peach and just gently roll my knife around the center, and then turn it. There you go. And then you can grab this pit and just twist it out. Perfect. If you end up, breaking a peach or it doesn't come out perfectly, please don't stress. This is all gonna taste the same no matter what. So if you're wondering how many peaches, you probably want like half a peach per guest. And then of course, you can always make a few extra. But I like to do half a peach with a slice of cake, and then we'll have some whipped cream on top. Just give them each a quick brush. I'm gonna throw this on the grill. I'm gonna put it down, cut side down. We're gonna grill them for about 8 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna flip them halfway through. But we don't wanna get them too mushy, so make sure that you keep an eye on them as they grill. Perfect. Gorgeous. I'm gonna let these go, and then we'll revisit them in about 4 minutes. While the peaches were finishing up grilling, I went in and grabbed my gorgeous cake and my whipped cream. And now I'm going to take the peaches off the grill, and then I'm gonna cut myself a slice because I deserve it. Look at these beauties. Whew. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Look at that. Let's take a moment to appreciate these. As promised, the edges of this cake are extra crispy. I'm so happy about that. I'm gonna give it one cut across. Look at this gorgeous slice. It's so moist and delicious. So excited about it. Now I get to add a grilled peach. I'm gonna pick this one. It's the prettiest. So pretty. And then I'm gonna do a nice dollop of whipped cream on top. Maybe 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. I always get whipped cream everywhere. That was just the perfect bite. It had everything I wanted, the cake, the combo of the olive oil and Sir Kensington's avocado oil mayo. Those 2 flavors combined are giving you such a beautiful taste, as well as just the most moist cake possible, along with the crispiest bottom and sides. So happy. We've got grilled peaches. Those little grill marks are caramelized, sweet, and then there's whipped cream, and no one's ever complained about whipped cream. If you want this recipe, it's at food52.com. I hope you make it. I have to go eat all of this because I forgot to invite anyone over. Bye.